That is a boyfriend, man. Oh, more one in part of working I will want a care day. The women in the man who will no cool, the women in a hammy men are walk only now after me, man, 1 year now, or working enough your wage you hand of your me hand in the river.
Do we have a deep
No.
Do we have no?
Oh, yes, son, we are domaking, of your quarry.
No, Bob, I will call her no confirm me. They regularly no.
Kind of women, we are a color, and you can't come because they can't tell in my way.
A family,
The money them not checking me without.
My people, my good people in the house, I wanna see this case. She wants to get married. Let me speak American English. She wants to get married to Esama, and the Esama have a wife in Esa land with 3 children. Now the man is telling her that he's no more longer with the woman. Then I now ask her, do you call the woman to confirm? His man said the woman cannot say the truth. So
I said that you saw Gagby. The guy said that a picture here.
now she's telling us that the woman used to send sexy picture to the man. How do you people look at this case? This is American English. She said that the wife of the man used to send naked picture, sexy picture to the man. Then another one.
That is a name because the man we are women. And now where I remember, man, never home or doma, I really barren. That isn't even one lamb. Why go and give me advice because now only I take the wrong place, no market, wrong place.
Let me tell you something. To be real saying the truth, go and find another man. Forget about this man. If a man is no longer with the woman cannot send her a sexy picture. He can't even send that picture. Talk less of sexy picture. He cannot work.
Yes.
Abi,
Okay. I want the brother next 20. I want you know packing where do when I snap a picture here. I have the evidence.
She said she wear only bra. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Because she cannot understand English. That is why I am happy to transfer to the world the meaning what she's saying. No matter I speak the English, make una manage on like that. Okay? It's better that I will not even understand what they talk. She cannot understand English. So I have to be a translator to the whole world. She said the woman wear just a bra. You know what I mean, bra? All men know the meaning of braza. They call it braza. So she put on only braza, send the picture to her husband. And how do you feel the matter? I think they are together, Abi. My good people, I know you people not the just side. But I say the truth. The man, where is the man? Where is the quality man here? Are they still together or they are no more together? The woman said, okay, you know what? My beautiful sister, just wait. Let me see. Men can't talk, not be women. Okay? God bless you. I am a live video on YouTube. We are watch.
Okay, what's the mommy?
So you people understand? Now understand the point. I'm going out, so I want to go out. I just want to do short video. If I don't enter live video today, make una not bother. Because I don't know the time when I go take on. Hello, God bless you. I don't think there is live video. Outside somewhere.
Last week I was not program and it's going to be fast enough. You know, you live in
more blessing. Okay, you a rumor book be I we runana. I want now every time. Even when everywhere blocked, don't give up. Even when you lose your job, don't give up. Even when you cannot sleep, don't give up. Even when doctors say no hope, don't give up. God bless you.
Okay, Mom, that are you.
My good people, I am going to the town. Okay? I don't think there is live video today. No guarantee. It may be no, it may be yes. No guarantee. Okay? But in the name of Jesus, we are covered. No weapon. Nobody that will plan evil against us that will prosper. In the name of Jesus.
3.
So, Papa Osaro, no verse. I did a little bit busy.
Good afternoon, my mom.
Good afternoon, Papa Osaro. Now you call. You go live long, go. God bless you.
Yeah, God bless you, ma. I say yesterday, you put prayer about 3 days prayer yesterday.
Yes, sir.
So before I sleep, I really pray. Say any friends don't see the phone to me. There's no friendly friends. Make no contact them away from my life. And so I take back 5 sleep. In the night, I come see for my dream. You with other 2 persons again with me. We come be 4 of us. We come there inside. Come like inside my place. We come like in the room. The floor do just dirty. Nice and fast around. Carry water. Every leg went for this ground. Begin the just the washer. You now begin the mop the ground. I call the sweeper. As I sweep, I begin to wash the floor. I wash and everything come be okay. Now I say, Mom, I see the charge card. But inside the dream yesterday, you come there, you come pray for me. And as I really wake up, since yesterday I say the charge card, you never see him. Now God is great.
No verse. I did today as I want to go out. I not quick wake up. I wake up after 11. So I come back. I don't even hear where.
Every dirty leg when I enter my family, God don't want to say yesterday. I don't wash all of them. Come up from my house.
Amen. Thank you so much. We overcome all your enemy in the name of Jesus.
Amen.
God bless you. Remain blessed.
God bless you, man. Don't forget to check out later for me.
Okay, thank you.
If you enjoy your weekend, we'll meet you, shall if you not come online, we'll do meet.
Mona, pray for me. May I quick come? If I quick come, I go enter on. By the grace of God. Now 8 o'clock. Bye-bye.
God bless you.
Bye-bye. So now 8 o'clock. I will make him. Hello, God bless you. He said, society. Okay. Because I can read near Yako, don't if you look back, Bogia, where? Yeah, Mummy, I'm a quarry. Yeah, we not see any not time. Women, Natana sister. Mama, when no guana, who know yes, Jay.
About 45 years ago.
45 years, I give you a mom of experience laughing. I'm not about what will matter, Mama said, who can win now. Oh, when you send the picture, go be any. Then again, in my way, what Jenna. Ni maboy waro nana. Ko no bie na ye wa send the picture gear. Ofra meta mi ya we get gear. Okay, ya wu no wa try. Ya me ti send the picture we gear. But e picture ya. Esunu. Odo wa me na giro. Emi no send the gear o ga a picture. A picture here my important. Or hog bad.
My important.
My important.
I'm going to with me was my day loud.
Yeah. Call later.
Okay.
Okbia, emi no kwoni ya send the giwa or a picture we wa. Picture no ko. Sunu. Ni mawa e waro na ya no wa bie na ni ya iva no bie na ni. Ya wa send the picture ya for what na? A picture we ya wa send the gear. Obe mo mame. But so be viogun me mo e phone me. E dey what say? You me right ni ya send the picture ya gear. You me right. And the ruwa ni ko beje. Eri wa. Why be me right no here ya send the picture wa geri wi wa. Because he was so ye we. Wa ga send the picture wa geri wi wa. O what on we je u were gbe mi ori ni. Because wa o ma kokko wa atanya me. Wa wo bi anagiro. Send the picture gear. When it's na, send the picture where gear. No make na amo gogo. A picture monu beer was sent the gear. Even when I more where more but I send the gear. Oh my de necessary. You know what I mean necessary. That is say oh my no ma keke ma mi name up ma. Which one be why? Yes, why? You don't have right because you are no more longer with the man again. A business in Warime, okay, your children, how to take care of your children. Now the business wanna get. You don't have right to send picture to the man too not get right to send you picture. It cannot work. If the man send the woman picture, the woman will never have peace in a marriage. You go call the thinker and say, see the father of my children come bam. Because now the better picture now he go send give you. You know, go send you the picture where be say you not dress. He make no. Now picture where be say you don't dress. You don't khaki, you don't shave. Now you go say, come put colors. Now you go say, give you. So when you see that picture, you know gonna like your husband again. You're gonna imagine and say, oh God, I go back to the father of my children. I do this one. No. Not be like that. This message now 50-50. Please, my brothers and sisters, stay away from your mother of your children. Never you send that picture. And the Jew woman, never you send the father of your children picture. May not go cause problem. That picture can even cause problem with the woman we deal with. As soon as leave the man, now think the man not get somebody. I be they don't conquer for one place. No, the man must get somebody where be say they date together. So if you are no longer with the man, stay away from the man. Talk about your children. Don't talk about love. Don't talk about how you feel. Don't talk about what you are passing through. Don't talk about you do this, you know, you want to be that, want to do this. Don't talk about that. It's no more interested so that the man can have peace with the relationship with they. Now for now, good, my people. You go call your ex-boyfriend with video call. No. You not say normal with video call. You can talk with in children with video call, not you. Not you. Also with the man. Don't call the mother of your children for video call. It cannot possible. Video call now for your children. After talking with your children, finish, you call the phone. Not be say two of them are going to look on yourself for video call. It cannot, it's not possible. That is rubbish. God bless you. It's a rubbish. Like one man will talk that they say his wife for Jamie. His wife go they call his the father of his baby a video call. He not doing it now. He not doing it. He said he not go even give the small pikin phone again. Two of them go just there for video call. Who does that? What cause that? This life, everybody have to do sense. If you are in love with the father of your children, go back to her. Don't be say you there with another man. And some go there. They go pretend they hammer for back, clean their mouths. They'll come to do that, follow the father of their children. Like I said, they still love them. Why are you people deceiving yourself? Why are you people deceiving yourself? My sister, don't go there. Don't go to that relationship. If you want marry your own. If be up now 15 years ago, now men not the Europe. Men full everywhere. Find better one, even if you not get paper. Start your life with her. Your own thing is different than our own thing. Make that woman from Nigeria may not gonna throw stone for you, eh? What the time? I go on one door, eh? No be no maybe man answer for me ya konka ebegbe why go eh bag any great now. Oh, don't play with them, eh? Don't try it. When ya reje omia. Go and look for your husband. A boy said don't. Ikpe do ware lani. Na not de la bini boy. No ti wa ya homo dere wa mu a. Ade ya agugwa na wa leli ya. Wa wi ya maswaga. Inwene swago pe a eje bege na. Ari lele ni bege na eh. Ohun no pe ma pa kan bege na ari mu. Ewe gwe na bata. Ari mu ohun no ma pa kan. Openi me ke mo pia ne pa kon. Ege me na mo ejoma me ma pa kon mo pe akon. It's not a new thing. Utobo we clean it up. We are there wa a shampoo race supermarket o ma fe €3. We are ya ko ye no a perfume. We are we no la ugwe pa we o eni. Iyan ge ugwe kiakia. Je wa this thing we are maintain ene. Ye ke kwele 1 week o doge do dey normal. Ayi selective again na even ayi wa kwa lo we no we gbobo. No ga opia no le we plan. No ga opia no ri o go nu. No ga opia no ogu wa. E opia no oge. So one even ayi gwa le we gbopia.